Welcome to CDG Training, your global leader in online training and certification. Introducing our ISO 45001 Lead Auditor training, designed to equip you with the skills needed to lead audits for occupational health and safety management systems. ISO 45001 is the international standard for occupational health and safety, helping organizations ensure the well-being of their employees. Gain certification, enhance your expertise, and advance your career with our comprehensive training. Our course covers essential topics: Introduction to ISO 45001, Principles of Auditing, Audit Planning, Conducting Audits, and Reporting and Follow-up. Understand the fundamentals of ISO 45001 and its importance in health and safety management. Learn the core principles that guide effective auditing practices. Master the art of audit planning, including creating schedules, checklists, and defining audit objectives. Gain practical skills in conducting audits, including on-site inspections and staff interviews. Learn how to compile comprehensive audit reports and effectively follow up on audit findings. Our interactive learning platform makes the training engaging and effective. Our courses are led by experienced instructors dedicated to your learning. Enrolling is easy. Visit www.cdgtraining.com, select your course, and start learning today. Upon completion, receive your certification, proving your expertise as an ISO 45001 Lead Auditor. Take the next step in your career. Enroll in our ISO 45001 Lead Auditor training today at www.cdgtraining.com.